MSI offers the latest innovations in waterproof rigid core flooring. Everlife by MSI is a great option for just about every interior living space in your home. No matter the style, these floors are rigid, strong, lightweight, easy to handle, and easy to install. Everlife is 100% waterproof, so it's ideal for wet areas like kitchens, baths, and laundry rooms. You can install Everlife in any room or any level of your home. Everlife features Crystal Lux technology to resist scratches and enhance durability. MSI's Everlife also includes a premium-grade pre-attached underlayment which minimizes sound, accelerates installation time, and is comfortable underfoot. For homeowners who desire even more underfoot comfort and heightened sound attenuation, MSI offers premium underlayment. Most styles of Everlife use a simple angle joint assembly. This simple joint affords a fast and easy installation, ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. All styles of Everlife are FloorScore certified, and all have achieved the GreenGuard Gold certification, ensuring high indoor air quality by reducing indoor air pollution and the risk of chemical exposure. And Everlife meets LEED standards. On trend, innovative, easy to install. Everlife waterproof rigid core flooring is not only a beautiful addition to your home, it's extremely durable and easy to maintain. A dust mop or broom can be used for daily maintenance. When necessary, clean with a moist cloth or mop and a neutral pH cleaner. Avoid heavy use of detergent cleaners, as these will leave a residue and, over time, lead to a cloudy film. Never use floor polish or floor cleaning wax, or oil soaps. Best of all, MSI waterproof rigid core flooring is protected by MSI's industry-leading residential and commercial warranties. Create an affordable, easy-care floor with a range of today's most on-trend, wood-look luxury rigid core planks. Everlife waterproof rigid core flooring, a next-generation, 100% waterproof vinyl plank flooring featuring the easy install locking system. For more information and to view the latest additions, visit everliflvt.com.